Welcome to the summer heat. What's more relevant than to monitor how warm the pool is? Go to a web shop, find some thermometers among an ocean of thermometers, ordering and wait. Doing some CAD design. Well, repeating a word or a concept that is already represented by an acronym or an abbreviation is known as RAS syndrome, redundant acronym syndrome. So I will call it a CAD process. Design and print a casing to sit on the edge of the pool. Printing, everyone has seen that, I'll skip. Cleaning up a 3D print. Mounting the thermometers. Mount the holder on the pool. Oh, another of my bills. Maybe in a later video. Click and dump, it's in. Modify the outlet cap to hold the thermometer in the flow. Do the readings, done. The thermometers was a bit too cheap. The same body of water give two different readings. The thermometer cannot be easily calibrated. 2 minutes of your time, and now you know more.